100 knee pads. It's a knee and shin combo, and I'm going to go over a few things since I've got mine and give you my first impressions. So right out of the box, I think they got a strong build quality. The materials are great. They're extremely comfortable, and they use impact absorption foam inside. The first impression, it has a great style. They look really good. Good lines. The stitching is well crafted. The materials are great, whatever that is, Cordura or Duratex. They're sturdy and rugged. Something that's different about this knee and shin pad combos has removable ankle guards. So some people like that, some people don't like that. I chose this one because sometimes I don't often feel like wearing the ankle guards depending on what riding style or what tricks I'm doing. So therefore I'd like to have the comfort and the ability to remove them. Some of the pros of this knee and shin pad combo: they're rugged, they're durable, the size is accurate. If you order the right size, it's true to fit. There's a measuring chart that you can order from, and it's pretty accurate. Another pro is it has a detachable ankle guard. Another pro is it has detailed stitching, and the tags, they put a lot of work into making the shin guard look good. So some of the cons, and this one resides on both sides of pro and con: the detachable ankle guard. Maybe that's something that you wanted included. In that case, they do have a knee and shin guard combo that has ankle guards built in that are non-removable. So another con is the color. The logos just come in blue and the tags come in blue. It's not my favorite color, but maybe it's something you can overlook because you wear them underneath your pants, or maybe that's not important to you, but to me it was a con. Another con is that the back straps where the Velcro attaches seem susceptible to damage from pedal bites. If you slip your pedals, and if you have metal pedals with pins, they can eat away at the back lining of the shin guard and they'll wear down more quickly. Overall, these shin guards are really comfortable. They provide superior protection, and they seem really durable. As long as I've had them, they withstand all the abuse that I put them through. And compared to other knee pads and shin guards that I've had, these ones are great because they're a combination. So the money that you spend, you're actually getting like 2 sets of safety gear, shin pads and knee pads, so you have to consider that. But I really like mine. I'm stoked on it, and I'm happy that they're available to more people because they're on Amazon now, so you don't have to order them from overseas or England, where the companies manufacture them, I suppose. So I'll put a link in the description below where you can check out these pads for yourself and take a look and see if they're right for you. Okay, quick little bonus here. I'm just looking at the Fuse website, and recently they've released a new line called the Omega series, and the difference here is going to be, this is a compression sleeve type fit. So if you're not a fan of the Velcro and you prefer to have a compression and a tight fitting sleeve type elbow pad or shin guard or knee pad, this is going to be the difference. And if it comes from Fuse, you can bet that the craftsmanship, the stitching, the quality, the durability is all there. The only difference is if you're not a fan of Velcro, you might want to go this route. Once again, thanks for watching, and if you found value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And if you know somebody that's looking for something like this, please share it with them. I'll see you in the next video.